For the following issue, just go to Play Store, find the Play Store, click on this, go in search, search Instagram. If update is required, if it is asking update, so please click on update. Now I have updated. Please wait until it's getting updated. It is installing now. After the installation, we just need to now it is showing open, so here we'll close this, and now we will go to phone setting. So find phone setting in your phone. Here I am clicking on setting option. Let's go in apps, click on apps. Now we just need to go in app management, click on it, and now search Instagram. Here the Instagram option is there. Now click on force stop. I clicked on it. Now click on force stop in red. It is written here. Now we just need to go in storage uses. Click on it. Now we just need to clear the cache. Click on it. Now cache is cleared. Now we need to click on clear data. I will click on it. Now you can see clear app data. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So if you want to delete this, so you'll have to click on delete. So now I'll click on delete. Go back. Click on data uses. You just simply switch on disable mobile data and disable mobile Wi-Fi, and again keep this off. And now you can see background data is on, so we just need to switch background data off, and then again we need to make it on. Go back. Now problem is solved. So we just need to simply restart the phone. After getting your phone restarted, you will see the difference. Now your problem is fixed. Simply open Instagram. Now go in chats. Continue. Click on chats. Now you can see chats are there. You can see. Right? So I hope you will get the solution, and thank you for watching.